Hey guys, it's Tracy, and I wanted to take a few minutes just to show you guys how to add voicemail to your website. So, this little tutorial is only going to work if you have WordPress, but I will show you that there's some other options you can use as well. So, I just want to show you, first of all, how it works, and then I'm going to install it, and you can watch and follow through and do it yourself to your own site. So, this is my homepage, and you'll notice over here on the right hand side, I've got this little gray bar and it says send voicemail. So when someone comes to my site, they can click that and they get this little pop-up message, and it basically allows them to record a message. So all they have to do is click this big green button, start speaking whatever their message is, and then the message will, or that button will change to the word send, and then it will send me, the website owner, a link to listen to that voice message. So pretty cool, huh? Anyways, this is provided by a company called SpeakPipe, and I'll show you where to go and how to install this little software. So first thing you want to do is go into the back office of your WordPress site, and you want to go into Appearance and Widgets. Now, for those who don't know what widgets are the things down the right hand side and often across the bottom of your site too. I don't know if oops, where'd that go? I don't know if I have any on this site, but anyways, it's basically things for down the right hand side. Usually that's the most common place for a widget. So you want to go into widgets, and then over here on the right hand side you're going to have a number of options. Now, depending on what kind of theme you're using, you may have different things there. I don't know that. You may have to talk to your web designer about, but what you should have is like some of these things here. They may be named something different than what I have, but the one that I'm going to put this into is called Blog Sidebar. I'm using a theme called Optimize Press, and in that theme it's called Blog Sidebar. Yours might just be called Sidebar, it might be called Right Hand Side, or whatever. It could be called a number of things, but basically what you're looking for is the place where you put all these things down the right hand side for your blog. Okay, but before you actually go to that section, what you need to do is set up your account on SpeakPipe. So you want to go to speakpipe.com, which is speakpipe.com. You want to create an account or log in there, and once you're logged in, you want to go to the settings link in the top right hand corner. And here we have website widget as one of the options. We have Facebook page, which you can also install it right on one of your Facebook pages, and a voicemail page, which this would be used if you don't have a WordPress site, but it would create a page for you to just add to any site. So it's basically, somebody would just go to that link to leave you a voice message. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is create a website widget for our WordPress site. And what I want to do is give it the name of the button, whatever we want it to say. Like, so here it says send voicemail, right? So you can just leave that. Where do you want it? Do you want it in the middle right, middle left? Like, where on the screen do you want it to go? And you want to go down here. You want to, most of this is fine. You could just leave it as it is. You can change the color if you want. You can preview it and save the settings. And then down here, you could just put a little message of whatever you want it to say. You can have them enter their name and email if you want, and then just save, any changes that you made above. And then at the very bottom of this page, you're going to see this code. Okay, so all you need to do once you've gone through and set up all your settings above, just go here, make sure it's highlighted, copy that code, and you're going to go back over to your widgets area, and you're going to find the section here. Now that you may need to ask your web designer or your programmer where that section is. Hopefully you can figure it out, and you're going to add a text widget. So I'm going to find the text widgets here, right here. So basically in the middle section is where you have all the optional widgets that you can use, and what you do is you drag them and you drop them over here into this section here on the side. And so I'm going to be putting it in this section called Blog Sidebar, and you can see that I already have some widgets here. So I'm just going to take this text widget, which is empty right now, I know this sounds crazy, and some of you are probably watching this tutorial going, "What is she talking about?" Anyway, so see how I just click on that and I drag and I'm going to bring it over here, and I can literally just place it anywhere I want on this in this section. So I'm just going to put it up at the top, and once I let go of my mouse, you'll notice that the little thing kind of pops out, and you can put some stuff in here. So all you need to do is paste that little bit of code that I just gave you, and then click Save. Okay, and then you want to go back to your home page. Now this is my other site that I don't actually have it installed. So notice when I refresh my screen, now I have it, and then someone can click it and they can just leave me a voice message. So the other little things over here in SpeakPipe, in your Facebook page, you can literally add it to different pages that you have, and it's pretty simple to follow. I've already added it to a couple, but you can it's pretty self-explanatory. My screen may look a little different than yours because I've already done it, but and then over here you have, like I said, you may have to get your web designer to help you with this part, and then your account, your password or whatever. But then you have your inbox, and then this is where your voice messages will come into, and you'll also get notified when you do have a voice message. So anyways, that's just a quick little tutorial showing you guys how to add voicemail to your WordPress site. Okay, cool. Over and out.